Alrighty, this is Dr. Breakthrough. Now, sometimes when you go to Pancake Swap, you have a problem because it's showing this cake down here instead of Weetwo. How do you get Weetwo in there? Well, first you got to go over to BSC scan, and over here is the contract. So we're going to copy this address over here on the right side here. You see my mouse, okay? So copy the address, go back over to Pancake Swap, and instead of cake, we want to make sure we put the proper one. So up here, put the address, and then Weetwo will pop up. Bam, and there you have it. Okay. So again, in review, and some people say you go too fast, and I say, well, can't you stop the video and rewind it? But anyway, BSC scan. Okay, come over here. Which, by the way, we got 3,568 address holders so far, and that's going to go way crazier. But anyway, and so over here on the right side, this long string of numbers and letters start with OX, and you hit here where you copy it. You come back over, and again, if you over here you're seeing say cake, okay, instead, then you just want to make sure you come in here and paste the contract address, and you never ever ever send money to that contract address, okay? And there you have it. And again, you make sure your wallet's connected, and you hit the max button, you know the rest. All right. Hope this helps.